the whole way. And she started walking. While she was walking, a tiger came. And the tiger said, "Oh, old woman, I will eat you now." The old woman was afraid. But she said, "Oh, tiger, if you eat me, what will you get? I'm so skinny. I have only skin and bones, no flesh. You won't get anything. So if you wait for a while, I will go to my daughter's place, eat a lot, will become strong, and when I will come back, you can eat me at that time." The tiger just thought and said, okay, I will wait for you here, but do come soon." And she said, yes, I will. Then the old woman went forth, and while she was walking, a fox saw her. And the fox came to her and said, "Oh, old woman, I'm going to eat you now." But you know, the old woman was very clever. She said, "Oh, what will you get if you eat me? I'm so skinny, I'm so weak. I have just bones and skins. There is no flesh. So if you just wait for some days, I will go to my daughter. I will eat a lot healthy food. I will be strong and stout. And I will come back and then you can eat me." The fox thought, yes, what she is saying is okay. And he said, yes, I will wait for you. Then the old woman went forth. And while she was walking, whom did she see? She saw a wolf coming towards her. You know, the wolf is very cruel. And the wolf was trying to jump on her and to catch her and to eat her up. But the old woman said, "Oh, please wait. If you want to eat me, what will you get here? Nothing. I have just skins and bones and no flesh. I will go to my daughter's place. I will eat a lot. I will become strong and stout. Then you come and you can eat me." He said, "Okay, but come soon. I am waiting for you here." Then the old woman escaped and she started walking fast and went to her daughter's place. She told all these things to her daughter and she stayed there. Her daughter loved her very much. Her daughter prepared very tasty, delicious dishes for her. Every day she gave fruits, vegetables to her mother. And day by day, the old woman started putting on some weight. And she became strong and stout. The old woman lived there for some days. And then she told her daughter that, "Daughter, I must go back to my place now. Now that I'm okay, I will go back. But you know that there is a fox, a wolf, and a tiger. Yeah, and they are waiting to eat me up. They would kill me. What will I do? How will I go back?" Her daughter was very clever. She had a garden at the backside of her house. And you know, at the Halloween you could see big pumpkins. So she also had a big pumpkin in her house. She brought that pumpkin. She gave a small cut to the pumpkin. And she brought out all the juicy part of it. And she made her mother sit into that pumpkin. And then she closed the door of that pumpkin. The part that she had opened, she closed it. And she said to her mother, "Mother, you can go now. You are safe in the pumpkin." So the mother, what did she do? She said, "Run, pumpkin, run. Tuduk, tuduk. You know the word tuduk, tuduk? Roll, pumpkin, run. Tuduk, tuduk." And the pumpkin started rolling up. And the old woman started rolling up inside the pumpkin. And she started going through the forest. Who was the first to see her? The wolf. The wolf just smelled her and said, "Yes, it is that old woman." And he says, "Oh, old woman, wait, I want to kill you." The old woman was inside the pumpkin and she said, "What old woman? Who old woman? Run, pumpkin, run, tuduk, tuduk. Run, pumpkin, run, tuduk, tuduk." And the pumpkin started rolling up. Fast, she said, fast. And then she met the fox on the road. The fox also smelled her and said, "Yes, that old woman has come back. Now I will get good food to eat." She was very much tempted. And he said, "Old woman, wait, now I want to eat you up." She said, "Who old woman? What old woman?" "Roll, pumpkin, roll. Run, fast. Tuduk, 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 tuduk." She started fast. And then she met the tiger. The tiger was almost on the point of jumping over that pumpkin. But the tiger said, wait, old woman, now I want to eat you up." And the old woman said, "What old woman? Who old woman?" "Roll, pumpkin, roll. Run fast. Tuduk, 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 tuduk." And then the pumpkin rolled so fast. Take all of you. So fast. Come on. So fast. That the old woman went out of the forest. And then she came out of that pumpkin and she was quite safe. This is how she cheated all the cruel animals and got safe back to her house. Okay? Okay? Did you like the story?
Yeah!